Hey, NAEILI team, I wanted to congratulate you with the reviews that you have on this listing. I know how competitive the beauty category can be, so to see the ratings you have is really a job well done. Now, my job is to look for potential opportunities with sellers who prioritize on Amazon. And if it's okay with you, I'd like to show you a large module, which you have for this listing, but you're not utilizing it, and it takes up valuable real estate, in addition to a few other things I noticed. My name is Sean, and I'm an account executive with my Amazon guy. So listen, I'm going to pack this full of valuable information designed to help grow sales. I'll get through that module in just a minute, but the first thing I do want to show and review are your keywords. Now, we utilize this tool to look at sponsored and organic keywords. We do a ton of competitive research and other things with it. And looking here, you've got 146 sponsored keywords, 6,099 organic keywords. So well done. I'm curious though, when you updated your keywords last. Also, too, we recommend a 1-to-2 ratio here. So for every one sponsored, you have two organic. But let's look and see how you're performing. So as I scroll down, you'll notice that I sorted the keywords by the most frequently searched. And over here is your organic rank. So as we scroll down, look at your organic rank. You're in the triple digits for most of them. I would say at least 50% of the top 50 most frequently searched keywords, you're in the triple digits. And when that happens, it means that you're pages deep. So let's put this into context if we can. Let's see here. I found one earlier that was really interesting, and I want you to see it. It is in Spanish. And what's really interesting, here we go. Crema Hydrate Tanta para la cara. So it's I think it's face cream moisturizer is what this means in Spanish. You are indexing for it 185. And there are almost 11,000 people in the past 30 days looking for this on Amazon US. So when they find you, that means they will have gone through all the sponsored ads and then 184 other listings before they find yours. So you've got to ask yourself, is the rank of 185 sufficient enough for you to get your fair share of this revenue? And the answer should hands down be no. It's $11 million. So I would definitely update your keywords. Now let's talk about competition. So I took these words from your title and found this listing here. Now I'm not doing any product comparisons. I know you know this, you've seen it. What I want to show you, however, is their advertising plan. So look at this. They're being very aggressive with their sponsored keywords, and they've got 3 times organic keywords than they do their sponsored. This is really, really interesting. And they've done a fantastic job with their ranking between their words. Because of this, they have sold over 7,000 units in the past 30 days, and you're at a fraction of that. So when we look at competitors, we look at 10 of your competitors to do a keyword gap analysis. So I would absolutely look at your competition so that you could steal that share back from them. Now let's talk about SEO. So here at my Amazon guide, we break it up into 4 phases. And in phase 3, we look at those keywords where you're ranked in spots 20 through 50. Wow, right now you've got over 1,100 of them. And because of that, you're really not benefiting from that organic traffic. So our focus would be to lift you up in the ranks so that instead of being in spot 43 for anti-aging face moisturizer for women, exactly what I need, you'd be in the top 10. And that goes for all of these. And if you don't have to sponsor those, it'll help with your ACOS, but there's a ton of benefits. So please don't forget, it's the words that gets your listing above everybody else's in the search results. Now let's go through your listing here. So I have gone through your images, and I do recommend another lifestyle image. Also too, you mentioned reduces wrinkles and plump skin. I will tell you, she looks very young and not someone who would have fine line or wrinkles. So I do recommend maybe someone a little more age appropriate if that is what your demographic is. I'm curious what your demographic is. If it's this, then I would say fine. But I'm 49 and I think this product is more suited for someone like me. Also too, coming down, I noticed that you've got 3 images here of your product, which is fine. However, I recommend a lifestyle image. Remove one of these three images and put another lifestyle image on there. The more you have of those, by the way, a beautiful woman is the third most clicked on photo on Amazon. So you can't have too many of those. Clear face shot, absolutely recommend it. Also, too, your title, you want, awesome. You've got 195 characters. You want to be close to 200. Well done there. Just make sure with your bullets and your title, these bullets and your title, that you update them every now and then. In that way, you can grow your organics continually. Now, let me show you that module. So if you do anything today, please log into Seller Central, and right above product description, you'll see a brand story. That's where you can put the NAEILI logo, talk about how you got your start, why you do what you do, what makes you so unique and special. Let me see if I'm not sure if they do or not, your competition has done it. No, they haven't. Let's see if maybe I can, Amazon's been acting up. Regardless, it fills up the entire screen. We can put it together for you. It's absolutely the best module that Amazon has come out with in years for branded sellers. And because it shows up just underneath all these sponsored ads, it does a wonderful thing of zeroing out the noise and building the NAEILI name. You want to do that too, because that's how people remember you and they come back to you, by knowing your name. You can have a ton of products, hyperlinks in there. It's definitely valuable. I absolutely recommend doing it. Now, in your A+ content down here, you want to make sure that you've got 500 to 1,000 words of crawlable text. Oh, good. It looks like you're using your alt text properly. So well done on that. And great job with the product grid. So listen, here at My Amazon Guy, we are a full service 300-person Amazon agency, and we grow sales on Amazon. We manage over 250 brands, plenty of beauty brands, and giving our clients peace of mind knowing that Amazon is handled so they can focus on their business. But I'd love an opportunity to chat with you. So click that link in my email that reads book a call, snag yourself a free consultation. And once you do that, I'll email out the competitive analysis. But thanks so much for watching. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care.